around the world. So we're back on today's video. We are going to be doing a decorating our mantle. And so our theme for this year, theme colors is white and gold. And so make sure you guys tune in, and we will be letting you guys see what the decoration is so that you'll see what they look like. And of course, you haven't seen this woman, but this is our say hi. And so yeah, she's always behind the camera, but this time, not this time. So make sure that you know this woman. This is the other crazy woman. So yeah, tune in. Hello, all human beings out there. So this is our decorations for today's decorating session. And so we got all of this from Hobby Lobby. They have tons of decorations, which is something like this. And so this is only partial because there's a lot that we have, but it's just somewhere right now. And so this is what we have right now, and then you'll see more once we start doing it. And then this is the garland that we have that we are going to be using. And so we have it for I don't know how long, but it's still working. And so make sure that you guys tune in, and if you guys have any questions, any suggestions, don't hesitate to let us know and comment below. So thanks.
So we will now begin our Christmas mantle decoration. So this is our mantle over here. As you can see, it's empty. We already cleaned it out, ready for our decorations. So let's So guys, if you're wondering how we put this garland and hold it in together, we already have nails above the mantle, so all we have to do is just twirl one of the branches of this garland and tie it in, so it will hold on together and it will not fall off. We just finished putting our garland and make it fluffy looking. So as you can see over here, now we are now ready to put our extra decoration. Guys, we just finished our uh, partial decoration. We will be putting ribbons in here too. Can you give me the ribbon? So we're gonna use this kind of ribbons. As you can see over here. This one, since our theme is gold, gold and white. So as you can see behind me is just so simple as of the moment. So we're going to put ribbons later on, and I'm gonna show you how I make my ribbons and put that in the garland. So tune in and I will show you in the next video. Thank you. So guys, if you missed a while ago how I loop my ribbons, so make sure that you have a tail at the end. If you want to have tails like hanging around both ends of the ribbon, then all you have to do is just fold it. You just need to adjust how long you have to fold it, because I fold it this way, just very small, because I want my ribbon to be just small, just enough for my garland. So I fold it again twice. So that's it. So that's that.
So guys, this is our final product for our mantle Christmas decoration. As you can see, our theme for today is the white and gold, and so ribbons, garland is in there, all of the decorations that you've seen previously, and so that is all it. If you have any questions or any comments, make sure that you guys put a comment below in this video. And so yeah.